Hello world, this is LockpickingDev. Today I have a Thirard padlock. It's a dimple padlock, and I got it from LockCon 2024. I had to pick it up because it's a dimple padlock. You don't see those too often around, at least not here in the States. You can see it's rated a 9. It's got double ball bearings, cut resistance, 10-year guarantee. I'm going to rate this on the scale of 1 to an American, very American security. In other words, hardly any at all. Use the multi-pick turning tool here. I'm going to zoom in and get it to focus there. And use just a long multi-pick flag, and it works pretty well. Focus there. There we go. The little binding going back there. 5. That was 3, 1. 4. Almost there. Which one is it? That was 3. It's not it. Okay, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. There's our open. It was very basic, very simple. There are no security pins and all. I just had to look at our bidding here. See if I can actually zoom in on the bidding. A little hard to show bidding on dimple keys, but the front were decently high, some lows, and then medium. It wasn't really too hard of bidding. Really easy pick. I mean, it was cheap. If you see one, pick one up. It's worth picking. It's worth also just having a different double padlock. But there we are. There is our Thirard padlock. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.